Parshas Behaloscha. Rav Yosef Shlomo Goldstein, the Mechaber of a sefer called Divrei Yosher, from a yeshiva in Gateshead, is quoted in the Koel HaTorah journal with the following Dvar Torah on the following pasuk in Behaloscha. For Ednas Halavim Nisunim LaAaron Ulevanov Mitoch Bnei Yisrael LaAvoid as Avodas Bnei Yisrael Ba'ohel Moed Ulechaper Al Bnei Yisrael V'lo Yev Bnei Yisrael Negev Begeshes Bnei Yisrael El HaKodesh. We're speaking at the time when the Levim were being Makudesh to serve in the Mishkan, eventually in the Beis HaMikdash. As we know, the Levim replaced the Bechorim who lost their opportunity at the Chet Egel. Rashi points out an interesting fact, which is not usual for Rashi, but it's mostly more like the Balaturim. Rashi points out that the words Bnei Yisrael are quoted 5 times in this pasuk. To teach you, Rashi says, Chibosan, that Hashem loves all of Klal Yisrael. I'll quote the Rashi, Chamisha pa'amim nemru Bnei Yisrael b'mikra zeh, lahodia Chibosan, shenichpal askaros sehen, b'mikra echad, keminyan chamisha chumshe Torah, v'kach reisi bevreshis rabbah. Hashem looks at us just like the Chamisha Chumshe Torah. What is the implication of that? So Rav Goldstein explains that we know that in Parshas Yisro it says, V'ato im shmoa tishma'u b'koli, u'shmartem es brisi, v'yisam li s'gulam mikol ha'amim, ki li kol ha'aretz. Rashi says on the spot right there, Segula means oitza chaviv, a wonderful, dear treasure. Just like the Segulas Malachim, all over Tanakh, which means a vessel full of precious gems that kings put away in their treasure house. So too, Hashem says to Klal Yisrael, you are to me like a segula amongst all of the other nations. Why is that? The chibah that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for Klal Yisrael comes from this koyach of Kabbalas HaTorah. We recently had Shavuos with the awesome Pegisha between HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Bnei Yisrael when we received the Torah. The fact that number 1, Klal Yisrael received the Torah, and number 2, equally as important, if not perhaps even more so, that they're oiskim b'Torah. So therefore Hashem has the words Bnei Yisrael 5 times quoted by the Levium. Why? To show us the ahava HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for his nation Klal Yisrael. Now, why mention it here of all places? Here we're choosing the Levium to choose to be special members of Klal Yisrael. They're picked out to be on a higher madrega. They have an even more special bechira. We're called Am HaNivchar. They're having even special bechira among Klal Yisrael to be called Mishorsim L'fnei Hashem. So Bnei Yisrael might have had a bit of a twinge there to feel that they're not on the same level in HaKadosh Baruch Hu's Chavivus scale, in the love HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for us. Therefore the pasuk says each member of Klal Yisrael is Chaviv to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Why? In the schus of Kabbalas HaTorah. He therefore says 5 times the words Bnei Yisrael to tell you that the Keser of Torah is superior to any other Keser. We know that in Hilchos Talmud Torah, the Rambam writes, according from Pirkei Avos, that there are 3 Keserim: Keser Malchus, Keser Kahuna, and Keser Torah. And Keser Torah oila al kulam. The Keser of Kahuna is only for Aaron and his children. The Keser of Malchus is only for David and his children. But the Keser of Torah is free and available for each and every member of Klal Yisrael. So you see, that is greater than all of them. The pasuk teaches us that this is the basis of HaKadosh Baruch Hu's chibah for Klal Yisrael. It's brought here in this specific spot where the Levim are being chosen, because Hashem wants to show us. You have to know how to learn and read Rashi to look into the pasuk to show this love of Klal Yisrael, that even in an area where part of Klal Yisrael is chosen, Hashem says, I love you all. I love each and every one with a chavivus because of the schus of Limud HaTorah. In that schus, may we all join in that keser, and may we all benefit from this love Hashem has for us, both in Olam Hazeh and in Olam Haba, and hopefully soon, when Mashiach comes, we will see it b'chush.